Bill George of high pressure to thank for that. Though there is a weak weather system lying northwest to southeast, which has brought a fair amount of cloud this morning. But having said that, the cloud has been thinning. We've seen some sunshine developing in many parts of the country, although just recently the cloud is starting to fill in once again, so perhaps rather more cloud than sun for the rest of today. But not too bad down at Cheltenham for the National Hunt Festival. Temperatures around about 13 degrees, with a little sunshine still to come this afternoon. But high pressure is certainly going to be in charge for the rest of this week and indeed through the weekend as well. It's high pressure just migrating aimlessly across the country. The big problem is going to be how much cloud is going to be connected to high pressure and how much frost is going to be in the night period and first thing in the morning as well, with some patches of fog certainly likely but not guaranteed to be in any one particular place. Well, there's the Bristol camera shot just now. You can see there's a fair amount of cloud developing, but even so, a little more sunshine still to come this afternoon. Now, sunshine's been pretty limited across the north and west of Scotland so far today. Plenty of showers still up there, a bit of wintry stuff in them as well. And those showers will become more and more confined to the far north as we go through the rest of the afternoon, but still pretty cloudy skies filtering in down to the North Channel. Elsewhere, a bright afternoon and a pretty mild one too. Temperatures 12 to 14 typically across southern Britain. In the north, nearer to 8 to 10 degrees. Well, the showers will eventually fade away from northeast Scotland during the evening. Then late in the night we'll find some more patchy rain and drizzle returning to far northwestern parts, whereas further south it will turn misty. There'll be some fog patches around in Wales and the West Country, maybe Northern Ireland too, with a fairly widespread ground frost as well, a touch of air frost in some parts of Britain tonight. Well, there's the high pressure for tomorrow with this next system just brushing through northern parts. I think for Scotland in particular, Northern Ireland, Northern England at times, it will be cloudy. The odd patch of light rain and drizzle coming through with the brightest weather following the early morning fog across Wales, the Midlands and down across southwest England. But reasonable temperatures, though I think it will be a little bit chillier tomorrow down through eastern England, nearer 10 to 12 degrees there tomorrow. Well, high pressure again in charge for the rest of the week and into the weekend, as we've seen already. So on Friday, some patchy overnight frost and fog to clear away, and then reasonable temperatures, but again, always more cloud for those northwestern parts, with the odd spot of rain and drizzle coming through in the wind. But I think amounts are going to be really quite trivial, with that high pressure still holding firm as we go through Saturday and Sunday as well. Where the frost and fog are going to be, as I say, very difficult to find, but there'll be some sunshine nonetheless, and most places will stay dry away from northern